The Chupacabra, a mythical creature steeped in folklore, has long captured our imaginations. Originating in Latin America, this enigmatic beast is said to be a blood-sucking creature, often described as having reptilian features. Its name, Chupacabra, translates to goat-sucker in Spanish, as it was believed to prey on livestock, draining their blood. Sightings of this creature have been reported for decades, with eyewitness accounts varying. Some believe it's a result of mass hysteria or misidentified animals, while others remain convinced of its existence. The Chupacabra has transcended from a regional legend to a global mystery, fueling debates and curiosity, making it a fascinating enigma in the world of the supernatural.